Hey everyone, how's it going? So for today's fun Christmas video, I thought it would be fun to show you guys how to draw Dwight as an elf from The Office. So I hope you guys follow along and enjoy this video with us today. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin with the head. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make a line that's just going to curve around, and it's going to come up here. Then I'm going to take this and I'm going to draw a line that goes across for the top. Now, I want to start with the glasses first. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw a line that goes over. It's going to come down, over, and then back up here. And I'll do the same thing here. I'm going to go over, I'm going to go down, over, and then back up. I'm going to draw two little lines for the middle of the glasses, and then two more lines for the top of the glasses. Inside of here, I'm just going to redraw this shape, and I'm going to do the same thing here. We're going to redraw it so it's kind of like a little square shape. I'm going to add a circle inside of here. And then I'm going to put two dots for the pupils. Then I'm going to make two angry eyebrows because Dwight is usually not too happy. Then I'm going to make a little curled line for the nose. Then starting here, we're just going to make a line that goes over and then down, a little curl line down here for his mouth. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes out and curls back for part of the glasses. I'm going to make a line that goes out, and then it's going to come back here for the ear. Do the same thing here, out. It's going to come back here for the ear. Then a little line that just goes up. So I'm going to curve it and then bring it up here. I'll make a little line that comes off the end here. Then starting here, we're going to draw a line that goes up. It's going to curve around and then come down here. Then starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes down and then up. Next, I want to make a pointy line. It's going to go up and down. And I'm going to draw a little ball at the top. It's going to be kind of bumpy like this. And there's going to be a little line that goes all the way down. Starting here, I'm going to make a little line that goes down and up. I'm going to put a circle shape right here. And then a line that goes up, down, and then comes back here. We're going to go up, down, and come back with two little curved lines in there for the bow tie. Then starting here, I'm going to draw two lines that just go down. I'm going to take this, I'm going to make them go out and then in. So it's going to go out and then in as well. We're going to add a little line that's going to curve around, and that's going to come up, and then it's going to go back. Same thing here, a little line is going to curve around, it's going to go up, and then it's going to curve back. Then I'm going to draw little line down on each side. And then I'm going to curve it across here. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line up here and then a line up here for the shirt. A little line down with a couple little dots for some buttons. Then I'm going to draw 2 lines on each side. So 2 lines here, and then 2 lines on this side for the suspenders. We're going to make a little square shape here for his cell phone, or rectangle shape. Then I'm going to draw a little line that goes down and over. It's going to curve across and come up here. We'll make a little square shape with another little square shape inside for the belt. Right here on the hand, I'm going to draw a little line across, big circle, and then another little line across here for his watch. Right here, I'm going to draw 2 lines coming down for his legs. I'm going to make a little line on each side. And then 2 lines that go up with a little line across. Then I'm going to make a line that goes out. It's going to go down. It's going to come across and up. Little line that goes down. It's going to come across and go up. Make a little line across the bottom for his shoes. And then right over here, I'm going to draw a little line. It's going to curl around here. I'm going to add a little pointy line at the end that comes across. And then I'm going to make some wavy lines along the top here for the leaves, so it looks like he's got a little beet next to him. And I'm going to add some little kind of squiggly lines across here. And then right here by the shirt, I'm just going to add 2 more little lines for his shirt and a couple little wrinkle lines above his head. And there you go. There's your drawing of Dwight from The Office as an elf. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.